Hello guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you to another wonderful segment of our YouTube Masterclass course outline. As far as this course outline is concerned, we are still working under the recording section, okay? So we are able to talk about how you can record with your Mac or your desktop, on how you can record with your Android phone using a free software, free app. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys top app that you guys can use to record on your iPhone as well, so that if you don't have a Android phone, you can use your iPhone. If you don't have laptop, or you don't have a Windows laptop or Mac, you can either use your iPhone or using your Android phone. So let's see how and what are the best software that you guys can use to record on your iPhone. So let's get started. So let me just scroll down and see. Okay, so right here, the first one I have on this list right here is QuickTime. So QuickTime is a free app that you guys can use to record on your iPhone. You can use external mic to record high quality video. As far as this is concerned, all you have to do is to look for this particular name on your iPhone, or you copy the link on and paste it on your browser. So when you use the link, you're going to have something like this. So this is QuickTime Player user guide. So this is just the icon when you get it in your iPhone, so you can use it to record your tutorial using your iPhone. So another one I have for you guys here is HearHosh. HearHosh is also a kind of app that you guys can use to record your on your iPhone. So you can see the URL here, or you can just search for this particular name on your iPhone. You are good to go. So the very last one I have for you guys here, as far as recording with your iPhone is concerned, is Reflector. So Reflector is also an app that you guys can use to record phone, or you can use it to live stream on YouTube right here, as you can see. So the download link also is here. This is just the right download link, or you can just search for the name on your iPhone, Reflector. Then you're going to have something like this, Reflector. So you're going to have something like this. From there, you can download and install this app on your iPhone and start recording your iPhone screen. So this is what I have for you guys as far as best iPhone screen recording is concerned. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel for more tips and tricks and more future tutorial about YouTube topic, you can kindly subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell as far as this is concerned, so you get notified each time I upload video about YouTube topic. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my YouTube Academy, you can check the description of this video to connect with some of other YouTube students in my close WhatsApp group on WhatsApp. You can click the link in the description of this video to connect on the YouTube Academy on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.